Are you tired of losing money on things you don't even remember buying? This 7 money hack can help you take control of your finances before 2025. Whether you are looking to grow your saving or boost your crypto portfolio, this tip will set you up for success. Let's dive in. The first hack is called reverse budgeting. Instead of listing all your expenses first, decide how much you want to save and set that aside. Then, use the remaining money for expenses. This simple mindset shift helps you prioritize saving effortlessly. Next, let's talk about the 30-second crypto tip, small investments. Choose one trending crypto with a solid reputation and invest a small fixed amount weekly. It is a safer way to enter the market without taking big risk. For hack number 3, try the invisible money hack. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate saving account every month. You will never miss the money, but you will notice when it is there to support your future plan. Hack number 4 is all about earning a little extra, micro-tasking. Find a small online gig or side job that take under an hour and put all the earning directly into your saving or investment account. It adds up faster than you think. If you are into crypto, stacking could be your next best move. You can earn passive income by holding certain coins like Solana. All you need is a secure wallet and patience. Here is hack number 6. Keep an eye on crypto trends. Experts are predicting massive growth in decentralized finance platform and blockchain-based gaming. Stay informed to make smarter investments. And finally, hack number 7 is all about your mindsets. Focus on making small, consistent changes every day. Whether it's putting away an extra $5 a day or skipping that daily late, those small efforts snowball into huge financial gain. If you found this hack useful, check out my video on how to double your saving in half the time. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on money saving and crypto tips like this. Thank you.